Hello friends, how are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying good health. As you know, I always introduce you some new amazing cryptocurrency website from which you can get a lot of benefit. Today I want to share you one more that is Zai. Zai is an innovative smart app dedicated to the primary DeFi market and is the first project in the cryptocurrency circle to empower with 8 major applications. As a modern and advanced digital financial service, Zai provides a secure cryptocurrency wallet and investment solutions that will completely change the way we invest in cryptocurrencies. With a solid foundation in trust, security, and innovation, our platform offers a seamless conventional experience in managing their digital assets. The Zai app includes a suite of features such as real-time court news, updates, integrated wallets, interactive charts, community forums, Clipperboard, automatic trading strategies boards, coin circles, Gani, by leveraging the most advanced technology and pioneering ideas. We are committed to providing users with a safe and stable investment solution. The development of the Zai app begins in June 2022 with the primary goal of creating a leading cryptocurrency investment platform. Our mission is to provide users with secure investment strategies and actively contribute to the future of cryptocurrency ecosystem. You can click here to the chat from this. You can also manning here and view this. What is this? You can see this the Zai board decentralized trading center, confirm order, post bar, crypto report, breaking news. You can also join this on your Telegram and Twitter. Next, we go to the transaction. So as you can see, the transaction page has been opened. First of all, you have to connect your wallet. You can say this is pre-sale has been end now. Mean by 0.1 BNB and maximum by जो है वो 5.0 BNB है. अब इसके pre-sales के timings days are नहीं बताए गए. Next, you have to enter your price here. You can say that the price has 5 lakh over 1 BNB. Time mention किया गया है. Next, you have to buy this and you enter your BNB amount here. You have to get reward from this and receive. For invite rules, you must prepare in Edo to get referral rewards. You can get one level user purchase amount 8% rebate, two levels user purchase amount 5% rebate. This is the reward after clicking this. This is the invite list. You have to copy this list and send to others. Next, we can discuss their partners. Dap Readers, Binance, Get Your, Token Pocket, OpenSea, Trust Wallet, Uniswap. You can also contact us on the Telegram. Next, we back to our home page. Next, guys, we'll go to the its page report. Guys, you can see this. The page report has been opened. Sniper report, unveiling the power of interceptor report in the cryptocurrency world. In the ever-evolving landscape of the cryptocurrency market, speed, precision, and efficiency define success. Enter the groundbreaking technology of interceptor robots. Your technology of interceptor robots, your new frontline defense and strategic assets in navigating the turbulent ides of digital consensus. Swift decision making, real time marketing analysis, interceptor robots are designed to operate at the forefront of speed and accuracy. Integrated with advanced algorithms, these robots constantly analyze market data at lightning speeds. Far beyond human capabilities, they detect trouble shifts and potential volatility spikes by crunching massive data sets, enabling them to make informed decisions in milliseconds. Next is cutting edge technology. Predictive mechanisms at the heart of every interceptor robot is a predictive engine powered by artificial intelligence and mechanical learning. This technology not only tracks real time market trends but also anticipates future movement by understanding patterns and historical data. Interceptor robots can predict market trends and initiate strategies operations to capitalize on or mitigate the movement. Next, guys, we see precision execution. Automated trading actions when it comes to execution, interceptor robots are unmatched, whether it's buying low or selling high. These robots execute trade with precision that minimizes slippage and maximum returns. Coupled with high frequency trading capabilities, they can maneuver large orders in and out of the market, ensuring optimal execution without significant impact. Next one is dynamic adoption, securing reliability. Join the revolution. Join the revolution. Embrace the future. Embrace the cutting edge technology of interceptor robots and transform of your trading experience with unparalleled speed, accuracy, and intelligence. Interceptor robots equipped to navigate the complex cryptocurrency market with confidence. Prepare to lead the charge with ever trading and step one step ahead in the fast-paced digital currency arena. Harness the power of interceptor robot and watch as they redefine the cryptocurrency trading, delivery, performance that propels you to the forefront of the market. Welcome to the future of trading. Next guys, we go to the clip report. You can see this clip report has been opened. Crypto trading bots, harnessing automation for enhanced trading efficiency. How crypto trading bots work. Crypto trading bots are designed to automate the trading process by continuously monitoring the market and executing trades based on set algorithm. These bots use market data to make decisions, pulling information such as price movement, volume, order, time of all which are crucial for making trading decisions. This market analysis. The bot analyzes market conditions using technological indicators and can scan multiple cryptocurrencies across various exchanges. Thus, multispectrum analysis helps identify potential buying or selling opportunities. Next one is risk assessment, order executions, continuous optimization. Benefit of using cryptocurrency bots. We discuss the benefits. Efficiency. Bots can process data and execute trades much faster than manual trading. Emotionless trading. Bots operates based on analytical data, removing emotional decisions that can lead to adverse trading acumen. Challenges and considerations while trading bot. After numerous advantages, they also come with challenges. It's important to ensure that the bot is operating on a secure and reliable platform to avoid any potential security breaches. Additional traders should be aware of market anomalies that could affect the performance of the bot, such as flash crashes or extreme volatility. In conclusion, the cryptocurrency bot represents a significant advancement in the way traders can interact with the cryptocurrency market. So, guys, we'll be back to our home page. Next, we go to the news. Guys, you can see this, the news page has been open. More and more low-income families are using the proceeds from crypto investment to apply for mortgage. More and more low-income households are using the proceeds from crypto investment to apply for Golden Finance reported that according to a report by the U.S. Treasury Research Economics, an increasing number of low-income households are using the proceeds from crypto investments to apply for mortgage. Now, households are using the proceeds from crypto investment to apply for mortgage among low household capacity. Next, guys, we'll discuss the increase in borrowing. The increase in borrowing was particularly pronounced among the low human household with high cryptocurrency exposure. They added. The report noted that in areas with high cryptocurrency exposure, the proportion of mortgage loans taken out by low-income household more than 250%. Next, guys, we discuss its Bitcoin mining company. BTC stands for Bitcoin Mining Company. Digital announcement the expansion of mining facilities and expansion into 4 states in the United States. The one is BTC Digital, a Nasdaq-listed Bitcoin mining company, announcement to expand the scale of mining facilities and expand to 4 states in United. Next is the exchange. The address has been given here. The certain address about 12.5 million Chile Guay in 12 days with a total profit of US dollar 6.14 million. Next, we guys discuss the market value of the holding of Trump family and DeFi project. World Liberty FI has exceeded US dollar 50 million. According to ACRA monitoring data, the market value of holding of the Trump family DeFi project World Liberty has exceeded to $50 million, currently touching in the cryptocurrency with the latest holding, followed by ETH. Next, you can see this Elon Musk has been given here. It has offered 25% of Zai share to investors for $44 billion, and it's a huge amount. Next is Musk begged its billion when he acquired Twitter stand to profit for their stake in Zai and startup value source investor of Spain. Next, guys, we discuss its line. You see this, the line page has been open here. You have to view this image. You can see this R is starting now on Huobi, information, robot, chain, discover, BTC, ETH, BNB. This and the favorite has been given. The top list has been given here. Last price of the BTC was $29,000, ETH $1909, LTC $94, Cake 3, and Dog $0.0 and Matic. नेक्स्ट वे सी दिस द डॉग वैट्स इसका वॉल्यूम दिया हुआ है, इसकी लिक्विडिटी दी हुई है, मैकेप कैप दिया हुआ है, होल्डर यू कैन अपडेट योर प्रोफाइल हेयर, यू हैव टू व्यू दिस ग्राफ. Next, guys, let's go to the post bar. The blockchain Yeti chain partner with @Transact to smooth the way for crypto credit payment globally. You have to view this all. Next, we back to our home page. So guys, the website video is finished. If you like my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest update. Allah Hafiz.